How to change your phone number on Facebook. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you're in here, head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on this gear icon at the very top. Move into See More in Account Center. Once you're in this page, move into Personal Details, and then head over to Contact Information at the very top. In this page, you will be able to see your phone number. In order to change it, simply click on it. And then click on Delete Number at the bottom. Once again, click on Delete. Once the number has been deleted, the next thing you want to do is go back and tap on Add New Contact. Now click on Add Mobile Number. Now enter the new number that you want to set and then tap on Next. After that, your number will be changed and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.